Okay, let me see the distance. So Alt, and then mine is 25, so 25. Okay, so let's leave it at 25. And then I'm going for my Telegram icon. Okay, you should have this by now. Remember, that was the first thing we did. Okay, to pick our icons. Okay, and then I'm going to resize it to 36. So 36, then 36. Okay, then I'm going to make sure it's aligned with this. Okay, okay, so 36 by 36. First, let me check here. 27 by 27. This what? Okay. So here 7 by 27, but we are using 36 by 36. It's okay. And then I'll just Control C, Control V this, and I'm going to bring it down. Now I'll change it to WhatsApp. Or is it now? Okay, so WhatsApp, not Meta. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Okay. Let's see the distance. Okay, so just for your reference, so I'm also going to do here 19 since the distance. So here the gap between this is what? 19. So let me just do that of 19 for this two. So let me just take it up. Okay, so 19. Okay. And then I'll go for the WhatsApp logo. Where's WhatsApp? We should have these two. And I'll change it to what? 36. So 36, press enter. Change here to also 36. Okay, so let's bring it, let's make sure it's in line. Okay. Okay, so here there seems to be a good number of gap here. You can do that, okay, or let me see if this is, so that's okay. You can do that, or we can also just try to give it enough space. So while holding on Alt, let me move it. Sorry, well, so multi-select, and I'm going to move it down to give them some small gap. Okay, and now our gap is let's say so 39. Okay, so 39. Okay, so we just have the more options. Simple. So we're just going to copy this. So Control plus plus, select this. Okay, so let me zoom in so that I'll be able to select this. So you notice I'm unable to select the line. Okay, so what I can do is I can just come here, and since I didn't rename it, but I can see with experience I know what's the line I'm looking for. Remember, we have two lines. Okay, so what I'm looking for is line 2. Okay, so when I click on this so it shows me that I'm actually working on this. Okay, so I'm just going to just then select this, and then I want the rectangle. Let me select the rectangle. So there's a rectangle, and then I'm also going to select so hold shift, sorry, not shift, control rather. I'm still holding shift. Okay, so control, so the rectangle, this rectangle, and then the line 2. Okay, control, not shift. Okay, shift is going to select all. Okay, and then we need out of the accounts linked. Okay, so which is this? So I also control this 2. Okay, and then control C, control V, and then I'm going to move it down. Okay, so let's check the distance from here. Okay, so while holding on Alt, okay, so 19. So I'm going to do same to this. So 19 plus. 3, then account linked. Okay. So alt 19, so the down is now 13, so I'm going to change it to 19. So with the down arrow, I'm going to so 19, and which is okay. Okay, so we have to change this text to more options. I'm going to change here to more options, options. Then we did more options. Let's see the, so we have share contact and then QR code. Okay, so just Control C, Control V, bring this here. Firstly, let me check the gap or the distance here. So 25, I'm also going to ensure here is 25. So it's 34 now, so just use the up arrow key. 25, okay, so it's now 25, and then it's going to be called the share contacts. Okay, so share contacts, share, is it share contacts? Share, yeah, share contacts. Okay, share contacts. The next one is Control C, Control V. So I'm going to move it down. Okay, so I'm holding Alt. Okay, so 19, I'm going to give you a 19 to 19, and then it's going to be called QR code. So QR code, QR code. Let's see how it was. QR code. Okay, so this should be our final work. I can take this out now. Okay, so I can take the rulers out now, and then I can preview it. Seems our the gap is too much. Okay, so we can decide to follow that, and let's see. So let me just give them enough gap or spacing. I'm going to leave it this way. Let me hold Alt and C. So for me, I use 27. So okay, so depending on what you want to achieve, you can just try that. Okay, so this is our final project, and then you can decide to preview it. Okay, so let's wait for it to load the preview. So this is our final project. Not our final, this is the first screen that we just worked on, and then I think this is too bold, it's too thick for me, so I can change it to, let me change to semi. So it's, let me do it semi bold. Okay, so I think I like it this way, and then I think the changes. Okay, so it's affected the changes. Okay, so thank you guys for being part of today's session, and then I hope to see you in the other lessons. So thank you.